And we can change our shutter frame width from 137 to 50 mm. So that would work better. Perfect. All right, so the shutter height seems to be not exactly correct. So this would be about 1088 mm. That would be our rough height minus 2 times our shutter frame. Let me check the formula once again. So this would be our rough height, which is 1219 minus our frame width. Yeah, so as you can notice, I have not associated the frame width parameter, so that's very important. So select these two dimensions here and associate the frame width parameter. So now it works perfectly. Perfect. So it sits right in between our frames and we have our shutter in place. All right, so let's save this family and then let's load this into our project. So let's load it into our project. And now we can place it on our walls. So I'm going to place a family here. I'm going to place a family here. Now it's also important to recognize or be aware of where the outer part of the wall is, or outer part of the window. In this case, we'll need to switch it. So click on the symbol here, flip the instance facing, so it faces outside. Similarly here as well. And then make sure to use the align tool and align these windows exactly. Now in this case, it would be a 4 feet window. So let's switch to 4 feet. And let's align this here. So it sits in perfectly as well. By the way, this is how the windows look in 3D. How cool is that? It's also a good idea to check in your projects if everything's working fine. In this case, you can notice that here we have a problem, and that is because this shutter window is not fixed with the reference plane correctly. So let me quickly go back to our reference view exterior and select this window here and select this window here. You can notice this is locked with the bottom axis, but not yet locked with the axis here on the left. So let's select this reference plane and lock it here as well. And then load it back into our project. Click on override the existing version and boom, it gets fixed. So that was a quick tip for you guys in case you get stuck anywhere in the process of creating families.